In this review, we will be discussing in details the best electric mountain bikes available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best electric mountain bikes, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Electric Mountain Bikes. Let's get started!
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. VeloWave 750 watt Mountain e-bike bike. High luminance headlight, 750 watts Bafang geared hub motor, 48 volts 15 ampere hour, 720 watt hour LG cells lithium-ion battery, hydraulic suspension fork, front and rear hydraulic disc brakes, multifunctional color screen display, integrated down tube battery. Number 4. Anker 26-inch folding electric bike, LED meter operating system, 336 volt per 8 ampere hour removable lithium battery, 36 volt or 250 watts high-speed brushless rear motor, 21-speed gear transmission system, 750 watt high-speed Bafang geared motor, equipped with a removable 8 ampere per hour lithium-ion battery front battery and 250 watt stable motor. You can reach a range of up to 15 to 30 miles at a top speed of 220. Number 3. Anker 350-500 watt electric bike. Owner said that pedal assist kicked in quickly in a quarter pedal turn. A tester was pleasantly surprised by the Blue Spark's big wheeled handling. A handful of owners were satisfied by these bikes' off-road performance. Blue Spark models offered 5 varying levels of power assist from 30% to 100%. A reviewer found that Blue Spark's LCD readout displayed a lot of information. A considerable number of buyers saw these bikes as great value. Suspension operated satisfactorily over moderately bumpy city streets. Number 2. Anker electric mountain bike. Easy to assemble. Has good speed when used in e-bike mode. Powerful 350 watt hub motor, has a simple controller, good range when on pedal assist mode. The battery charges quickly, a good selection of gear ratios for normal riding, very good brakes. Number 1. Anker 26-inch electric mountain bike. Owners reported a range of almost 20 mi on a single charge. Some owners found that the battery holds charge as well. Provided keys conveniently lock the Anker's battery. In levels 1 and 2 of assist, the motor is almost silent. Some folk deemed it light for an electric bike, especially at this price. 3 levels of assist were suitable for various situations. One owner had positive reports after 200 mi with mostly off-road use. A removable battery was secure and could be charged.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.